IoTeX community, and welcome to this week's News Digest. Here are the latest updates for you.
This week, IoTeX, an industrial internet consortium, published a new research on decentralized identity (DID) for edge computing. You can now read the tag brief via the link below to learn how blockchain will empower the next generation of smart devices with IoTeX identities. A new decentralized game just launched on IoTeX from the gaming gurus at Game Fantasy. It is called Travel Cat. You can explore a dynamic digital world and collect unique cats in this addictively fun online game. It is compatible with IoPay, and you can use IoTeX and Vita for your gaming. Last week, we hosted two amazing AMAs with CryptoDiffer and Theta TV. If you missed it, the AMA recap is now available. Also, check out the livestream AMA we did with Luna Crashed. We talked everything from social media metrics, UCAM adoption, future device plans, and much more. IoTeX was featured this week in HackerNoon. In our new article, Here's Where Big Tech Lags Behind, we explore the tactics that tech giants use to exploit everyday people. Another timely reminder to own your data.
And these were all of the updates for you this week. Thank you so much for your continuous support. Stay tuned for more news.